Hey guys, so here's a Commander ceiling fan. Is this a 48, you think?
Yeah, I would have to say so.
It's variable speed, lower canopy, cast. Is that cast motor? It looks cast.
No, it's not.
It's stamped?
Cast. Yeah, it would have been heavy, and this thing was. Yeah, this is definitely not cast.
Okay. They did have a cast version, but.
Right. Yeah, it'd be
okay.
nice. Those are nice. But.
Well, it's set to low on the solid state.
Yeah, there's a solid state. Okay, so turning it on, set to low, no. So I'm going to start going up on it. See, I just got it to start. Let's see where it's at. I'm going to let it 0.31, 12 watts with just over quarter power factor. So it's a nice slow, so I'm going to go 35. Okay, I mean, that's a decent low.
Sure.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Functional low right here. I mean, it's a little hummy, but not terrible.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah, it's living room quiet if you...
Yeah.
This is about as noisy as you're gonna hear it. Once I start going past this point, it's gonna...
I still don't hear anything over here.
No, you really don't.
I get a little bit of hum now, but not
Right.
still not much.
Right. Okay, 0.72 amps and it's flying. 0.71. So it's about 75 watts. And just over 3/4 of a power factor.
Yeah.
Not quite a power factor of 1.
Surprisingly good airflow. I feel some of the airflow over here.
Oh yeah. I think the airflow is... I don't know if I would call it K55 yet, but it's close to that.
Gotcha.
I mean, it's close to being like that. This thing does move a lot of air. Okay, what's... Yeah, it's at 0.69, I did say, and yep, that's perfect. 0.69 is the final current draw, so I'm going to do spin down. And I reset it, because we're going to do the same thing in reverse.
Yep.
Already got it set. The pull chain is off reverse. And you can even click off the...
I wonder how many people that have fans with reverse pull chains have them going the wrong direction and don't even realize it. Because if you use the same thing to turn it on and off, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Long spin down.
Yeah. I mean, the whole thing was in pretty good shape, including the bearings.
Yeah.
It, cosmetically, it was in pretty good shape. It, barely looked used.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So because I set the low trim all the way down just to get something, get a decent low speed. Okay. 0.24 is what I get when I got it to start. So I'm just gonna to gradually bring it up. Okay.
Well, it's interesting that it wobbles much more in reverse.
That. Plus, it's not really flying as much.
Oh, that's all the way?
Yeah.
That is a big difference.
Yeah, I don't know if it's just they designed it not to do that.
Sometimes the two coils are not the same.
Yeah, this is definitely different coils, especially with the pull chain type.
Oh.
So yeah, and it's drawing half the current.
Interesting.
Yeah, so. Okay. Okay. All right, and set it all the way up. And I'm gonna try the decade box. All right, let's see where it starts. 1, 2.
This is in forward, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I just tested that. 3 and 4.
Interesting. I thought for sure it was gonna. Well, there it goes.
It's going. Okay, it's aesthetic, but 5. I'm gonna see what it does on 5. That's a common low speed value.
Yeah.
So I'd probably go with this. Six. 7. And here's 8. And I get a perfect medium low right here on 8.
I would say so.
It's another common value. And then 9, 10.
Sped up quite quickly there.
Yep. 12. Let's see what it does on 12. Yep. And then here is 13. And let's see what 14 does, because I'm close to high here. Let's try 15. I'm right there on high with 15. Now I'm going to see if it goes over or not. 16. 17. Yep, it's drawing more current at 16. It starts to go over. Alright. And then, now I already did the solid state.
That's true. So I guess all that's left is 0 to high.
That's right. 0.76 is what it inrushes at.
Okay.
All right.
Anything we didn't do on this one?
No, we did everything.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching.
Yes.